on the road off to Liney's Holiday Island for Bubs' first camp trip. Hi Carson! Can we see Bubba?
Yeah. Bubby again. Zale again. Playing together. And we're going to pop and bowling. Woo!
What do you think about that, Zaley boy?
No, he said.
I'm gonna go putt and bowling? Yeah. Go! Yay!
Okay.
Good boy.
Good shot. Go again.
Go again. That's gonna be heavy. Oh, almost, buddy.
You only have one left. That's the first time I've done that. There you go. Under pressure.
Oh, almost.
It's off the bumper, but she's got it. You what?
Oh, look, strike.
She's winning. She's gonna win.
Twinkle toes next, Daddy.
The only time I've ever been good at it. I'm not even
Morgan's won. And that's recorded.
No, record the
Go.
Oh, do I go again?
Yeah. Do you?
No.
I think you do because you got a strike.
Yeah, you do. So you should get spare now.
Oh. Carson, up here. I know. Lauren, you can talk a big game when you cover last. It's alright, we got that one on video. Carson, watch your fingers.
Another one. Bowling.
Still sound asleep.
Oh, that was so close.
Tap it in. There we go. Got a jungle.
Oh, it's so close.
Oh, so you've already finished it?
No, you fall halfway through. You're scared by half a bit.
Going in. Oh. Where's the ball?
Is that yours, Carson? Yeah, he's like halfway through. Come on. Come finish. Just play it up there.
Look at the fluoro bubba.
Quick, the colour is glowing. Look at your shoes, Buff.
Look at your shoes. Oh my god.
That's why I saw him going and saw me go first.
What are we doing, Buff?
Now back to me. Getting really windy, so we're going back to camp to swim in the pool.
And where's the pool?
Sunny day.
Lani Bay. Lani's Holiday Island in Forster.
Okay, we didn't really get much footage at the pool, but we're having a fire at a barbecue. What are we doing, Buff? Toasting marshmallows.
Hi. Zale, boy, you gonna toast one? See, that's how
On
you
fire.
cook a marshmallow. That's probably a level 7. We probably need a level 6.
You said you want it roasty toasty.
Yeah, I think it's a little hot. Delicious.
Carson's had a big day. I think he's ready for bed.
You want to toast yours? Hi, Penguin. What you doing, Penguin? Is that right? Good morning, guys. So day 3, we're just gonna have some breakfast and then head out for the day. I'm gonna go check out Seal Rocks and see what else we can find on the way home. Boys are just starting to stir, so we'll get them up in a minute. And the weather's finally cleared up, as you can see. Good morning, Bubba. Good morning. You ready for another big day? Yeah. Where's Kyson? Good morning, Kyson. You ready for a bottle? You ready for a bottle?
Okay, just a quick little breakfast before we go. I've already started packing up the kitchen. What a day though. Finally some sun, clear skies, and we're going home. Away from that fire. How do you feel, guys?
Sad.
Why is that?
Sadie boy's first camping trip's over.
And you gotta go back to work tomorrow.
Morgan,
Yeah.
do you want to know what I decided we can do today?
What?
Get ice cream and go to swim.
You know Daddy's secret? Daddy had ice cream yesterday.
Yeah, he told me.
And he said it's the best ice cream in the world.
He told me that.
Where are we off to, Kyson?
Ice cream shop. I need a ball.
And Baba crying.
Bubba wants ice cream.
Eating ice cream.
Quack, quack.
Ducky! Ducky! I'm gonna try to
Throw it out that way into the sun.
The duck's not going far away. The fish are gonna eat it. I bet everyone's just gonna go.
This area is named after the dramatic old growth flooded gum, located just a short walk from here. Thought to be the tallest known tree in New South Wales, this aged 76 metre high forest giant provides a living link with the extensive old growth forests that once existed throughout this area. The tree is thought to be around 400 years old. Let's go! Let's go on an adventure! What are you doing? And baby boy's sleeping as usual. Eucalyptus grandis is approximately 400 years old, 76.2 metres above ground level. The circumference 8.9 metres at 1.5 metres above ground level and 11.5 metres at ground level. The first branch is located 25 metres above ground level.
How big is it?
100 bigs.
100 bigs. There you go, straight from the 5-year-old's mouth.
Pretty cool. You reckon dinosaurs came through here before?
No, I think this was the T-Rex paddock.
The T-Rex paddock, hey? It's pretty cool. Into the tunnel we go.
We found deer.
Oh, we found a deer farm, didn't we?
Yeah.
Violet Hill camping and picnic area. Lots of boats.
Just going to stop here and have a little bit of lunch and go from there.
There's a Zale and a Cassio lizard. We'll see if there's a daddy and a Morgan anywhere. Having a little picnic.
Violet Hill.
Violet Hill.
And just for something different, Daddy boy is still asleep. Are you awake now? You awake?
Yeah.
A hug.
You want to give him a cuddle?
What are we doing? Playing the marshmallow game?
You're not going to be able to get him from there.
Wide.
Oh, good shot. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish.
We'll have to have a look at the water. Well, Bubs, how's his lunch? Looks like he's asleep. This way.
What is from?